Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll start right away by confirming prerequisites. You must be signed into Google and running the latest Play Store. Once done, open Play Store and tap your profile icon, then Settings. From there, go to General and select Ads or Privacy. This gives you the controls will change. Make sure to also check Device Settings, right arrow Google, right arrow Ads, so changes apply system-wide. This ensures you're editing the right toggles instead of just app-level preferences. Next, you'll disable personalized ads and reset tracking identifiers. In Play Store settings, toggle off personalized ads, then open Device Google Settings and turn off ads personalization there too. Once completed, reset your advertising ID to clear previous signals. This limits ad targeting. Make sure to review app permissions and revoke location, microphone, or sensor access for apps that don't need them, because fewer permissions means fewer data points for ad networks. These steps reduce targeted ads across your device. To finish, force stop the Play Store app and clear cache and data so settings apply right away, then restart the app. If you want stronger suppression, configure an ad-blocking DNS or trusted VPN that blocks ad domains, noting it affects all apps. Once done, make sure to inspect any secondary Google accounts on the device and review app-specific ad settings inside individual apps. If ads persist, try toggling settings off and on, or sign out and back into your Google account to force a refresh.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.